name's Pat. I'm a teacher here at the Yoga Sanctuary where I took my training, and I love teaching here. And today I would like to show you extended side angle pose. We begin our standing poses in what we call mountain pose Tadasana, where we align the knees underneath the ankles, underneath the hips and the shoulders. We keep a nice alignment. In side angle, it's very important to keep the long sides of the waist. Keep all the length on the sides of the waist. So let's begin. Let's bring our hands to our hips. Step the feet apart, about legs distance apart. Take the time, always take the time in your standing poses to align the feet. So we shall turn the front toes out, then check, are we heel to heel? If not, take the time to fix your stance. And then lift up that back heel and move it just a teeny bit away from you. Now we want the torso facing the front of the room. Inhale, we're nice and tall. Exhale, let's bend our front knee. And again, check our alignment. Where did that knee end up? Is it aligned over the ankle? Is it about over the third toe? Engage the inner and outer thigh. That'll help keep that knee stable. And then sometimes we tend to lean forward in this pose. So where are our shoulders again? They would keep them over the hips. Really root into the outer edge of that back foot. Inhale, and as we exhale, let's lift our arms and reach towards the front. And when we can no longer reach, let's bring that forearm to the thigh. I like to bring this hand here to remind me, now I'm here, but let's make sure we keep the body open. We tend to collapse. Let's open the belly, the chest, the shoulder. Use that arm to keep that leg stable. Arm can stay here. If you have movement in the shoulder, maybe you lift the fingertips towards the ceiling, and then maybe it'll allow you to bring that arm forward, palm facing the mat. Gaze can be right at the arm, straight forward if that works better for your neck. Really using and feeling the strength in our legs and our side angle pose. Hold for a couple of breaths. And then with the help of the arms and the feet, coming back up. Hands on the hips, straighten the front foot. Let's turn front toes out now. And then let's check our alignment. Did we remain heel to heel when we did that? Is that back heel kicked out a little further? Turning the torso. Let's inhale, and as we exhale, bending that front knee. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, reach again. Keep the length in the sideways. Let's bring that arm down, hand to the hip. Open up the front body again. Use that arm to keep that knee aligned. Again, option, hand on the hip, towards the ceiling, or maybe all the way by the ear. Palm facing the ground, pressing in through that back heel. Taking a breath, maybe two. Smiling while you do the pose. And then use the strength in the legs. Come back up. Hands on the hips. Pivot. And we heel toe, coming back to center. Namaste.